Daily cleaning for the Turbochef i1 ovens, including the Sata Marine, Panini, and waterless steamer. Follow these steps when cleaning your oven. Use only Turbochef approved cleaning chemicals. Failure to adhere to these procedures or the use of any other cleaning products may damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. To clean the Turbochef i1 oven, you will need Turbochef oven cleaner, Turbochef oven guard, nylon scrub pad, and clean towels. Warning: the oven operates at approximately 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius and may cause injury if not allowed to cool properly. You will need to wash, rinse, sanitize, and dry each part after removing them. Do not use a hose or water jet on any parts for this oven. Step 1. Cool the oven. Turn off the oven by pressing the on-off key. Slightly open the oven door. Cooling takes approximately 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the oven displays "oven off, ready to clean." The Turbochef i1 oven is also known as the Sata Marine, Panini, and waterless steamer. Each oven features the same technology, but may have different components depending on the application. In the next section, we will cover how to properly clean the different components. Push the wire rack towards the rear cavity wall and then lift up. Lift the bottom jet plate out from under the bottom tabs. Caution: do not remove the top glass jet plate. Remove the cavity filter. Clean the wire rack and lower jet plate. Now we'll clean the panini components. Remove the panini tray. For cleaning, use only liquid soap with a sponge. Using abrasive utensils or cleaning agents in the cooking or cleaning process will make the Turbochef panini tray less effective and reduce the life of the coating. You may also be using the Turbochef cook plate. To remove, lift up and pull forward. Step 4. Clean the air filter. Remove the air filter from the back of the oven and rinse with warm water. The filter must be cleaned regularly or replaced if damaged. During oven operation, the filter must remain in place at all times. Caution: Turbochef does not recognize blocked air vents as a warrantable claim. Step 5. Wipe the oven interior. Use a damp kitchen rag to remove large particles from the oven cavity. Step 6. Spray Turbochef oven cleaner onto the top, bottom, and sides of the oven interior. Allow oven cleaner to penetrate stains for 5 minutes. Caution: do not spray oven cleaner into the holes on the back of the oven wall. Clean the oven interior with a nylon scrub pad. Caution: do not attempt to scrub the upper jet plate. If food is stuck to the oven ceiling, gently remove it without applying pressure to the glass plate. Step 7. Clean the oven door with oven cleaner and a nylon scrub pad. Wipe down the oven door with a damp kitchen rag and then a dry kitchen rag. Step 8. Wipe the oven interior with a clean, damp kitchen rag. Spray Turbochef oven guard on a clean, dry towel, and then wipe the oven interior and oven door. Step 9. Reinstalling the components. Now that the oven and components are clean, reinstall the jet plate. For the waterless steamer, reinstall the wire rack and cavity filter. For the panini oven, reinstall the wire rack and panini tray. Or simply reinstall the cook plate over the jet plate. Close the oven door. Step 10. Wipe the oven exterior with a clean, damp kitchen rag. Remove the lower panel to remove large food particles. Wipe the panel with a clean, damp kitchen towel. Caution: do not spray chemicals into any openings. Step 11. Reinstall the filter or replace with a new one if the mesh is deteriorated, has large openings, or has started to dislodge from the frame. The oven is ready to turn on.